Norway's long-term planning process is carried out under the direction of the Royal Norwegian Ministry of Defence. The long-term plan, materiel, forms the basis for all materiel procurements in the short-term 4 years, the medium-term 8 years and the long-term perspectives 20 years. The plan is updated annually to reflect updates based on changing requirements, available resources and progress in ongoing acquisitions. A major point will be the replacement of the Leopard 1 MBTs and variants with Leopard 2 ones. The government's national strategy for the defense industry was recently revised and presented as a new white paper to Parliament and covers the relationship between the defense sector and the defense industry. The new white paper focuses on national security interests and security of supply as basis for the new policy and strategy. The strategy implies that Norway should increasingly cooperate with other nations on defense procurement. The bulk of the investments within the land systems program target various vehicles, combat vehicles and artillery, new main battle tanks and new combat service vehicles on Leopard 2 chassis to replace the Leopard 1 series. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and to share it with your friends.